What is up, guys? And here with a YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about one of the best video editors out there. This video editor is called Filmora Video Editor. I'm not sure if you've heard of it yet, but it's by Wondershare. By far, I think it's one of the, I've given it a try and everything, and I think it's one of the best alternatives, as it says here, to Windows Movie Maker and iMovie. It's very simplistic, and it does, if you want the, for those that are just wanting to edit videos and not really, like too deep into all the video editing stuff, you can get the free version, or you can, if you're going all out, you can actually get the full version, which is for how much it costs, the full version, which I think is like $20 or $30. It's a super good price for all the effects and everything that's added into this. But right now I just want to start off this video showing what the website looks like. I will give you a link in the description below where you can click on it and go straight to this website and download it for free. It's a free video editor, but I just want to show you what the website was, what it looks like. But why don't we go ahead and go from the website and go straight into the editor. Alright, so then now we're at our desktop, and I've opened Filmora. Once you've already downloaded it, it's a really short download, but once you've downloaded it and opened it, this is the very first thing you will see when you open it. And notice how simplistic this looks. You've got, it's just really blurred out, it's got the really nice, it's really prominent what it says, create a new movie. So now this is where it gives you the options whether you want to do it in 4:3 or 16:9. Usually you want to do it by 16:9 because that's more high definition, it's a wider screen since most people have wider screens nowadays. So you want to stick with 16:9. There's an easy mode, which you can go through this way, which is the super simple mode, I guess you could say. Or we can, I'm going to go ahead and quit through easy mode. Oh, it already has it here, okay. Or you can go through 16:9 and you will go full feature mode. This is what you want to do here. And right as soon as you open it, it looks very nice. It's very simplistic. It looks just like similar to Camtasia or Movie Maker or iMovie if you're familiar with those three video editors. But it has a whole lot more features. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you what you see here at the beginning. What you have here on the far left, right down here, is your media. So basically, this is where you import your files, music, text/credit, your filters, overlays, elements, transitions, the split screen, and then of course export. And then it tells you what aspect ratio you're in and then how long your video is here. But let's just start, let's go from left to right. Okay, so media, obviously how simple it is. All you're going to do is, one of the top things about this one is how easy it is to import your media, just like any other thing. Let's go ahead and find us some gameplay here at, okay, gameplay, what you saw that was part of one of my older videos. But let's get us some gameplay here, some Rocket League. I'm going to go ahead and just pick some random, I think I'll just, I guess it really doesn't matter how long it is. Let's see, 13 seconds long, it's not too long. Let's see how long this one is. 13 seconds long too. I'm trying to find something that's pretty long, I guess. That's 10 seconds. I'll just do 13 seconds then. Okay, so you double click on it, and once you've picked out whatever you want to put into your video or import your media, it's shown up right here in the media tab in your import section. But since we're already here, you have a record section here. You can actually, Filmora is also actually a recording software. You can actually record your screen. You can actually record your webcam. You can record your PC screen, or you can record a voiceover. So like a like a documentary, a commentary, what do you want to call it? A voiceover. So you have those three options you can do there just from inside the editor. So it's a video recorder and it's a film or a video editor. But back on what we were talking about, you can import it from media files, the media folder, or a camera your iPhone from Facebook. You can download photos from Instagram or Flickr. It's really diverse with what you can do for importing. But once we've got our media or our audio in here, you can go ahead and you just press on this arrow right here, and the little plus sign there, and it automatically adds it into your timeline here. You can also you can right click on it and add to project. You can video stabilize it, scene detection, rename it, delete it, audio track. You can pick what kind of audio track you want it. You can find the target, so I guess it'll follow through with it, and then you have your properties. It tells you all about it. What kind of size it is, how long it is, when it was created, all that mess. But that's pretty much it for the import tab. Next, you've got the music tab here, and well, what a lot of people what they have a problem with whenever they have when they're making videos is copyright. They put a video up and they put some music that's not part of that they created. It's like copyright. You can use your video knockdown, all that stuff. But with Filmora, it's actually a very nice for your music, it's all free copyright. There's nothing like it has completely authentic music library, and it gives your movie like a feeling of using tracks from their own like music library. with songs from real musicians. So, say for example, you just want, for this kind of scene, let's do let's do some hipster electronic rock. Let's do some electronic rock, or maybe some regular rock. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna add something. So you can click on here, and it'll download the content from the internet. That way, this is what makes the download process of the actual editor really short, because it's not downloading all these files. You can actually download them individually, so you're not spinning forever to download some thing that you don't even want. Just depending on how big whatever the file is how long it's going to take to download. This one doesn't take too long to download. But once it's done downloading here, you can see that it's added in. Now I can go and see what it sounds like. It's not the greatest music to go with it, but you get the general idea. And then I think you could hear my Rocket League in the background. Another cool feature you can do with Filmora is you can actually right-click on the audio or the video you don't want the music in there, and just click mute, and it cuts the sound out entirely, so they can't you won't be able to hear the background. It's just the music. But that's pretty much it for the music. It's a really cool feature how you don't have to, you're not going to have to give credits or anything, because it's all copyright or no copyright. So you have free music and no need to worry about being, called down for that. Another cool thing with the text and credit, they have all these different kinds of very advanced way of having all the different kinds of ways to end something. If you want to see how something works, or see a certain text credit way, you can just double click on them. So if you wanted something cool like the lower thirds, this looks pretty cool. Okay, so basically lower thirds, you could have this, you could say like your Instagram or something could be there. Oops. Or for a label, I guess for the end of my video, if I did the end, let's see what this one looks pretty cool. Yeah, okay. So what if I wanted this in the end of my video? You just press on the arrow thing, right? And you've got your text. Now we want this to be at the end of our video, and so then it'll pop up just like that. And we don't want this music this long, so let's just drag it all the way to the end there, and start back here again. See what it looks like. Yeah, just like that. And then for the audio, if I wanted to, maybe fade it or something, I could fade it out. Have like maybe a 2.8 second fade. So then when we start here, and then it ends the video. So that's a pretty cool way you could add the the end with a fade in there with it. But that's pretty much it for the text. They have all these different kinds. Christmas, Halloween, if there's a Halloween video you're doing, comment like different ones of chat boxes and stuff. Ribbons, badges, labels. It's very, very advanced. All kinds of different kind of credits. Opener if you want to start something, your intro into your video. It's really diverse. I really like how all those different options that come with it. It actually, and that's what comes with the text credit part on it. And on the filter and overlays, this looks pretty cool too. They actually have some filters in. I saw here that there's some from here. They have Instagram filters. So from Instagram, if you like the filters from Instagram, you can actually apply those to your video. So that doesn't look the greatest, but something makes it look cool. Let's see here. Common. What does this one do? Oh dang. Okay, that's a little too much. Okay, that's a little. What? Let's find something cool here. What if I did something strange, crazy, let's do something crazy, what does this one look like? Trying to find something that's completely switched around or something. It's just something crazy. Alright, let's just stick with this. Whatever. Doesn't really matter. Just to show you the. Ooh, what is this one? Okay, that one's even more crazy. They just have all these different kinds of filters. It's limitless what kind of filters you have in here to make it look about whatever you want it to look like. So it's really. If you want it to be double like this, if I want it to be. Oh, it actually combine. You can just do whatever you want with it. I think that's what the effect I have on there now. But it's really nice how they have all these different kinds of filters you can add on here to make your video just look just how you want it. For the overlays here, you can actually add it's kind of like filters, but it's actually something on top of it. It's not actual filter, it's just like a second kind of thing, like if I wanted a sci-fi symbol, it'll do this for a second. It's like a short little part of it, so it looks pretty cool. It's like adding a little effect. It looks pretty sweet, whatever that is, the sci-fi symbol for. That doesn't look too bad. I'm actually gonna, I don't think I added that on there. Let's find something that's crazy. Or we could just, we could just do the, oh, that looks pretty cool. The viewfinder. It actually has a view inside of it. Oh, if you even have one of these. If you have you're playing some kind of first-person shooter game, you could actually add this in there, so that's pretty sweet. But I kind of like this one. I might do that with my vlogs or something, but I'm gonna go ahead and add this one on here. So it adds the effect, and I want it to stay through the entire video. So what it'll do now is the whole video, it'll have this big long thing for the video. Of course, you could do this. This probably suit better with a vlog or something, because it actually looks like it's a video camera and all that. But just to show you all the different kinds of diversity of the filters in the overlays, that's just an example. But as you can see, they have all these different kinds of overlays that just it can completely change your video, make it look so much better. With the elements, it's basically, it takes your video to a whole new level by adding like impressive and still motion graphics. So if I wanted something, let's find something here like let's see here, tutorial videos, Christmas, hand drawn. Let's find something cool. Like, I want it to be moving. That's not bad. What is this? It's recycle. Or I could do something like obviously I'm not gonna do the love one. Let's just do an approved button. Yeah, or I put a new. Let's just see what this is. Is it just like stamps on there, I'm guessing? Let me see. I think it's best stay there as long as you want it. But you can actually change that and put the effects on it if you wanted to make it shorter or longer. And if you want to change the size of it, you just click on it. If I can freaking click on this. Pretty sure that's oh. I don't think. Oh yeah, you have to right click on it and then I'm gonna edit it. Is there no parameter for it? Maybe not. Whoops. Let me go ahead and redo that one because I actually messed up on that one. If I wanted to add it, just add it into here and then I change it through here. So I'll make it smaller. I probably have to hold shift whenever you're doing this so it doesn't distort it. So I just want it to be like right here, like new. And then it pops it up at the end. And then I just, what'd I do? Let me go ahead and undo it. Another cool thing they have is an undo button. So if you mess up, just click on that undo button and bam, you got it fixed. This is the one that's messed up. Let's go ahead and delete that one and keep this one here. So, and let's pull him back over to this corner. So you can add all kinds of new things with the elements. And the transitions, this is another thing I like a lot, is how you can basically, you have all these different kinds of transitions like any other nice video editor, is you can add all these cool new effects on them. Let's see what they can do on actual, I don't know if they're gonna, actually, that's actually for pictures and stuff, for transitions. If you had a still like a lower thirds picture you wanted to slide across, you can add it through there. But they have all these different crazy kinds of transitions you can add in. I think it's downloading. Yeah. But that's what they have for the transitions. It's pretty simple. It's just making a transition into another phase of your video, another slide, stuff like that. But along with the split screen. The split screen is another cool thing too. You can actually add this, and if I wanted to add this, say I wanted to add a part where it's two different screens, I add that, and I actually want to put it in the middle. So I'm gonna, actually I'll start it off, I'll put it at the beginning. So at the beginning, basically I want to have, so I'm gonna import another, let's import some more media. Let's add another gameplay. So let's just add this one here. It's importing. Okay, now we're gonna have this one, drag this one in as one, and then let's drag this one as our second one. And now we have two different split screens here. So at the beginning of our video, as soon as we get play, it's gonna have two different gameplays going on at the same time. And then we can transition it, and then it'd switch over to this one, which is all kinds of diverse. You can make it however you want to look at it, but you can just make it where he has like a border or so on the let's drag this back, whether you wanted a border or not on the around your 2 different videos, but I'd prefer not to just keep the same. You can change the border color as well. I thought it was pretty cool how you could change 2 different kinds of change the color and put the border and knot onto it. But I'd just prefer to keep it the same. Along with that, after let's get past this part of our video here and go back. Let's just go ahead and click OK. Now we're back on the main part of our video here. Another cool thing you could do is if you, in your video, you want it to have a green screen, so you want to like cut out certain parts of it. So let's go ahead and, the end thing's not even at the end anymore. Let me go ahead and drag this over to where it's the end of the video, right there. Okay, and let's go ahead and drag our music a little bit longer. Another cool thing you can do with within the editor yourself is you can actually make things go reverse on your videos. So you can right click and then go to edit, and you can actually change like the contrast, the hue, and you can actually auto enhance it, or you can set the speeds up for it or play the clip in reverse, which is really nice how you can change it around like that. Because if you want a part that's one to slow motion or something like a cool effect, you could actually do it through that way. So it makes you can actually speed it up 10 times faster and slower, and make it reverse would make it look pretty cool. But like I already went over like the effect how you can when you can import your music and stuff, and on the text credits and the overlays how they had the cool like if you're doing a first person shooter like Call of Duty or something, you could add those things through there. But I thought it was pretty cool my favorite part would probably be the overlays or the music, how you could get your free music without having to like copyrighted music. That's a big deal nowadays, so you can do this without having to credit all that, and it's really nice. But I will leave a link in the description below if you want to go ahead and check this video editor out. It's a really nice video editor. I'd definitely check it out. And if you're into big video editing, if you want to make good videos, then I'd definitely suggest paying for this editor. It's a one-time payment. I think it's like $30 right now. If you click on the link in the description below, it's $30. So go ahead and check that out. I definitely recommend this video editor. It's really nice for its price, and you can even get it for free. That's the best thing about it. But if you like this video, guys, be sure to leave a thumbs up. Go ahead and check out this video editor. Leave a comment in the comment section below what do you think of this video, if you want to make more videos. Be sure to subscribe. We'll be making more videos now. Probably around a week, making them 1 or 2 videos a week now. I'm sticking to my schedule. I've just been transitioning back into school and stuff. But thanks for watching this video, guys. Leave a thumbs up.